In this video, I'll show you how to view and download annual enrollee notice on Delta Dental. We will also add some helpful links in the description below that you might find useful. To start, open the website deltadental.com, then click on Sign In/Register at the upper right corner of the screen. A pop-up tab will then appear. From the tab, click on Sign In. You will then be redirected to this page. In the field provided, enter your username. Once entered, click on Next. Next, in the field provided, enter your password. Then click on Verify. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Under Benefits and Coverage, click on the option that says Plan Documents. On this page, scroll down a little. Under Notices and Letters, you will see a section for Annual Enrollee Notice. On its right side, you will see a Download button. Click on View. That's how you view your Annual Enrollee Notice on Delta Dental. To download, click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.